Here it is, the Jellycomb 7-color backlit wireless keyboard and mouse, of course. What's in the box? We are going to check it right now. So this is how it arrived after ordering it on Amazon. That's the box, that's how it's presented. And it's a nice looking blue and white box. All right, without further ado, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so here it is, that's how it's presented inside the box when you open it. First of all, we see the user manual for the mouse. Apparently there is one for the keyboard and one for the mouse. So this is the mouse one, this is the keyboard one, and that's the keyboard itself. So let's remove the keyboard from the packaging. Voila. The first thing I feel with this keyboard, it's quite heavy. You can definitely feel the weight as soon as I pick up this keyboard. But it's a good thing in my opinion, because you are supposed to put a tablet here or a phone and the keyboard will have to hold it, and if it's a heavy tablet you want a heavy keyboard to be able to counterweight, so to have some counterweight there to help you to hold your tablet or your phone in place. So I think it's a good thing, but definitely it's something to keep in mind if you plan on traveling with this keyboard. It's definitely quite heavy. All right, putting the keyboard on the side, let's see what else is in the box. So they give us this USB 2 to USB-C cable. It's good that this cable is USB-C and it gives you the cable to charge it. Now, let's see here. We do have normally the mouse. So that's how it looks like. That's the small mouse. Compared to my hand, you have an idea of the size of this mouse. And if I put my hand over it, I completely block it. So I have a big hand though, to be fair, but that's the mouse. It's quite small, at least for me, but it will be just useful for traveling and to use on the go. All right, and under the mouse we do have this little dongle that will allow you to connect this mouse with your computer using USB ports. But of course this mouse should be Bluetooth as well, so should not be a problem to connect it to the keyboard here. Also good to note for this mouse that there is no battery replacement, so it has an internal battery, and the only way to recharge it, it's here. It uses as well USB-C to recharge it, so you can use the included cable to recharge the mouse along with the keyboard. Of course it will be charge the keyboard and then the mouse, or the other way around, unless you have an extra power bank and cable, USB-C cable laying around that you can use for charging both the mouse and the keyboard in same time. All right, mouse here and the keyboard now. Let's pull it out of the plastic bag. Here we go. Right on the back we can see this little rubber fit, so anti-slip rubber fit. Now we turn it over and here is the keyboard itself. Nice, I like the feeling of the key. It feels soft, but at the same time good quality, not hard to press, and not like the soft like those keys that will give you trouble later. So yes, it's I like the feeling. We have no connector at all on any side, except here on the front we have the USB-C port right there, but that's it. No logo, it's not even the brand on it. That's a little bit weird. Normally I was expected to see this Jellycomb brand somewhere on the keyboard, but there is none. It's just completely black, even in the back. So that's a little bit unusual, but it's not bad for people who don't like to have item with a big, huge brand on it. That could be useful information for you. This keyboard comes with nothing, no mark, nothing. In any case, I'm happy with it as it is right now. It looks and feels great, so now I'm going to try that with my tablet and see how it performs. I'm especially curious about the backlit, the color backlit option from this keyboard, so let's see how it looks like. Turning on the cable, it's very easy. Just press this off-on button, push it toward the on, and here we go. The keyboard will turn on right away. To change the color of the backlight, just press the FN button and hold it while pressing the enter button. And each time you press the enter button, it will change the color. So there is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors, 7 different colors. Once you're happy with the color you like, simply release the FN button and here we go. To adjust the brightness of the backlight, simply press the FN button and then press the shift button several times until you have the brightness that you like. For example, this is no light at all, a little bit of light, more light, and no light at all. So you have only 3 positions, 1, 2, 3, that's the maximum light, and then 0 again. Same with the mouse. Turning on the mouse is very easy. There is a switch right there on the bottom. You just turn on the switch and then the lights will turn on and the mouse will be on. The button on the top of the mouse is to set up the speed of the cursor. Each time you press the button, it will toggle the speeds from like slow, medium and fast, and then again back to slow. So for example, right now, my mouse is on slow, and then I press it, I have like medium, and then I press it again, and I have super fast, and then I press it again, and I go back to slow. Also note that after a while of not being used, the keyboard will go into sleep mode. So everything will shut off, that's to save the battery. But to reactivate it, any key you press will immediately reactivate the keyboard. You can also connect this keyboard to up to 3 different Bluetooth devices with this key 1, 2 and 3. For example, I connected this keyboard to my Samsung tablet right there, and I'm going to connect to it just pressing the FN button and then selecting 1. So now it's connected to 1 to my tablet. The blue light flashes some and then turn off, which means now it's connected. So it's connected to my tablet. So which means if I type now, it works perfectly and right away. So here you go, this nice Jellycom keyboard with the backlights. I really like those. You can really choose, my favorite is definitely the blue, but you can really choose any light you like. And of course, the very nice looking mouse, quite slim, very light, a nice lighting effect. And you can use also this mouse with the USB dongle if you need to connect it to a normal computer. But right now for my tablets, keyboard, mouse, everything works perfect and I'm very happy. Alright guys, so now you have an idea of what to expect. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.